Alright, so we're gonna have a mix it up mixer. You understand? So we're gonna make a bunch of drinks and see who for one basically tastes the best. So we want to rate it and see which one you think through viewing it would taste better. So I'm telling you, we have tequila plata, we have the original overproof white rum, and we also have some Grey Goose, and we will also include some pina colada. You have to mix up it. Everything I gonna mix but in a different unique way. So just forward. With a limeade, they're gonna strong with lime and they're gonna also strong with liquor. So it's supposed to sweet and sour at the same time but strong with liquor. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start work on my own now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take a little trial paradise. I'm gonna get a peach, I'm gonna get a colada in this. It's gonna be a peach colada. Feature with rare lemon white rum. Squeeze a little lime in there. It's gonna be sweet and zesty. That might take all the way back home to Jamaica now. Peach colada. If I don't Barbados today, and if not Barbados, I Trinidad. That's what we say, dirty lemon.
Dirty, dirty. See it there? Make sure it's strong. Woolly for lime. Make sure it's
shake. So this is round 2 now. Newton, tell us how you're gonna make this one.
Alright, so I'm gonna make one named Panda Island. Why is it named an island? Because it's gonna be an island. What's an island? A place, an island in the sea surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. So we're gonna recreate that image. Right. So we're gonna put the island and have people stranded on the island. So we're gonna name island or stranded on the island.
Alright, so what flavor liquor are you putting in there?
Alright, so we're gonna use the tequila for this one.
Yeah.
And the Grey Goose.
Which where the tequila come from?
Also tequila come from. What this come from?
Irish. Ireland.
Mexico, yeah, most likely Mexico. Mexico, Mexico.
Yeah,
this is
right.
from.
You did right.
Jay, what are you making for us today?
We'll make a Welch kickback. What is that? That consists of a mango twist, a little bit of white rum, and Welch's fruit snacks. His name.
And
all sponsored by Welch'S and Rare Nephew.
Right,
Welch
right,
kickback.
Welch kickback. See that? Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my pretty simple.
Yeah,
right?
Your base consists of what?
Alright, my base is gonna consist of a mango twist, right? With also a strawberry kiwi. So it's floating, that's the whole ocean. I'm gonna put the stranded people that's inside the island. You already know I like to use my gummy bears because those are my favorite gummy bears to use. I'm inside the island. So they're basically stranded inside the island right now. I have to put them 6 feet apart also due to the corona, COVID-19.
Zaga J inspired. We'll have some tequila rose in there. We'll have a little white rum.
Welch kickback.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna start with the white rum and we just now I'm gonna take time with this.
Yeah, you're going real heavy on the white rum there.
Yeah, just have to go real heavy, right? So I got little color in it.
Hey, you like white rum?
Love white rum.
It's the best.
Best rum?
The
Nothing
best.
else can't compete with
Nothing.
rum.
Ryan Neville all the way, brother.
Hey,
The
ready?
best white overproof rum.
Which one you get that from?
Yo, straight a yard, man, yo. Back a yard this I come from, man. Yo. Straight a yard.
Get
Yeah.
some strawberries. Lick the strawberries in there, get a little mango twist from WELCH'S. Just add it
So,
in there.
what are you adding the strawberries in there for?
Yeah, watch it now, man. Just like a blend it up and thing down. So I put in our mixer now. Alright?
Right.
So shake it up a little bit. Then we have a blend it up. You see? And we'll call this the Welsh kickback. Right?
So you have to shake your pod or what?
No. You just shake it up.
Give it a
It's
little gentle.
kickback.
Yeah, it's a kickback, so you can't really disturb them, man. That's that.
Right.
Gentle. Right? Alright, we'll get to island now. Dip it in a little bit of lime juice. You see me?
What does that do?
Just watch your man.
It's the adhesive for the sugar.
Let me get the sugar. Let's decorate for island, you see me?
Decorate island.
Yeah. See what I know, right?
So what we there now?
So we're island right now, no?
So you said this was called a Welch kickback?
Welsh kickback, inspired by Zaga J. You put the kickback in the island now. Rotted. Let's go.
You get it?
Yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, shit.
The master one.
Alright, so your final drink is what?
Alright, I'm gonna make a volcano, a volcanic. That's what I'm gonna do.
So your drink name is Volcanic.
Yeah, our volcanic eruption. So first, you know, you get your red magma, you know, and you pour it up in there.
What is that red magma
The
consist of?
strawberry puree consists of strawberry, grapes, tequila plata, and watermelon. That's what we have to do. We put it in here. Alright. Then we're gonna take up the best white rum, the Ryan Neville, and we're gonna pour up a shot. But first we're gonna put the shot inside the volcano because this is gonna be the mouth of it, the head basically.
Okay.
That drink is literally on fire, dude.
So now, are you able to drink this?
So, sir, I want to ask how
So
the
that drink
customers...
is lit.
How do the consumers consume it?
Yeah, no. Is it safe to drink, Newton?
Yes it is. They want me to show you?
No time.
Strong.
Here's one of my tastes. No, no, no.
Like they will go upside down already.
Right now.
Me feel upside down already.
You didn't have to have a tap the finger, but you have to take that out.
Press the push to release button.
Alright, so I get some more lime right now for dunk this one from the island, right?
Yeah.
Squeeze the lime in here, so. Alright. Squeeze the lime in this, right? Now you have the lime.
Zaga upside down. Is what
Get
I
the
make
island. Dip the island in some Zaga juice, you see me? Get it nice and nice and nice.
Nice and wet, not true dog.
Nice and wet.
I understand.
No overstand or no understand, you see me? Mix it round and sugar. You want the island pretty, you see me? Get the island nice, alright? Put the island this way, I'll get the upside down part of this, right?
Yeah.
Strawberry puree. Put that at the bottom. Fire for that.
Why? Why? Newton, come back in that camera. Why?
Put it at the bottom.
Fire for that, get there. You never put no liquor in this.
No.
Alright. I use white rum. It's gonna be the upside down part time. Cool. Let that vodka spice it up nice.
That one that looks strong, bro.
Alright? It's the upside down part time, you see me?
That's how I make it an upside down dog and strong. Bombo clad, see it there? Hit that, hit that.
Hit mad.
We're not done yet, you know. Alright? See that again.
Alright, that looks nice.
Get a sprinkle of lime juice in it. Alright, then now. I'm gonna put some wine in there for the ladies. Just like that. Nasty. Alright.
There we go, there we go.
I want this, I want to know.
Alright, what you call it again? Put the finished product like this.
So that's that question though. How do they get to the wine?
The more they drink, the more the wine infuses it.
Sugar he put in it.
That's it.
This pretty not bad.
Yeah, that in a tree body number. It's pretty good. I would rate you guys in terms of bartending. My first already, so
Idea mix.
ideal mixologist.
Tita, you got it.
I'm not doing the things still, is it?
Upside down, I know.